This is the first time Zebanisa has returned to her home since she and her family fled for their lives. It is completely destroyed. Zebanisa is Kyrgyz. She has lived in the village of Koktash on the disputed border with Tajikistan all her life. There have been clashes between the Kyrgyz and Tajik communities in this region before, but never has military involvement left destruction on this scale.
I had hope that when I came back there would be something left, but I'm devastated. God willing, with help of the people, we will rebuild our lives instead of moving. I want to rebuild here. This place has always been home. I will never leave.
Both the Kyrgyz and Tajik governments accuse each other of escalating the situation. Videos shot on mobile phones show the Tajik military moving into disputed villages. No Tajik homes were destroyed in the attacks in this village. This is one of 17 homes in this particular village that has been destroyed, and people have begun to come back to inspect the damage, or in this case, what remains of their properties. And one thing they all tell you is that there was no animosity in the community during the period of the Soviets. Problems started with the breakup of the Soviet Union, independence, and a border problem that has lasted 30 years. The violence was sparked by arguments between local Kyrgyz and Tajik residents over control of water from this reservoir. Kyrgyzstan says Tajik soldiers killed more than 50 people and destroyed government and private property. Kumar Bayev inspects the damage to his home.
We are afraid. My family and children can't live here. My Tajik neighbours were also evacuated, but into their territory. The relationship between us has not been good for years, but now it's worse than ever.
Some of the estimated 60,000 people who were evacuated are sheltering in schools.
I've been here with my sister-in-law and grandchildren for 4 days. I don't know what's happening in my village. Thank God we are being looked after here.
With little sign of a comprehensive settlement to this complicated border dispute, Zebanisa and many like her will struggle to rebuild their lives. Charles Strafford, Al-Жазэра, Koktash on the Kyrgyz-Tajik border.